Hey guys, good afternoon to all of you. Guys, this is Rahul Malkan, and we'll continue our series on our global courses. So, guys, I'm very happy to inform you that Ednovate has now launched ACCA. So, today, what my plan is कि मैं आप सबको पूरी ACC के बारे में एक information दे दूँ. Perfect है. Idea is something like this कि before you select the course कि हमें 12th के बाद क्या करना है, you should know everything about the course that you are going into. दिस इज़ अ लॉन्ग टर्म डिसीजन गाइज. ऐसे थोड़ी कि हम एक ही फ्लो में डिसीजन ले लेंगे और फिर सोचेंगे. तो पहले आराम से इस वीडियो को देख लेना. इस वीडियो में मैंने सारी चीज़ें ACCA के बारे में बताई है. वंस यू आर श्योर कि हमें ACCA करना है, देन वी टेक अ प्लंज. वैसे ही मैंने एक और वीडियो बना के रखा है. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू नो दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन यू कैन गो टू दैट वीडियो एज वेल, जहाँ पे हमने ऑल अबाउट CFA की डिस्कशन की थी. सो दिस इज़ अबाउट ACCA. Unlocking global courses, ACCA as your gateway to success. So let's start. If you all are ready, guys, then we move on. First thing is a very important announcement that Ednovate Global is now a silver learning partner with ACCA as an institute. Now, sir, ये silver learning partner से क्या फ़ायदा होगा? अगर आप ACCA Ednovate से करेंगे, you have lot of discounts. अभी एग्जैक्टली क्लियर विद दैट पॉइंट. मतलब आप ACCA इंस्टीट्यूट को जो फीस पे करते हो ना, उस फीस में अगर आप हमसे जाएंगे वहाँ पे तो आपको डिस्काउंट्स मिलेंगे. ये एक स्लाइड डाल के रखा है मैंने आगे भी, सो यूल अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द डिस्काउंट्स दैट यू गेट इफ़ यू डू ACCA विथ Ednovate. क्लियर? चलिए, लेट मी रन थ्रू इट. सो गाइज, व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू टॉक in this session? I'm going to talk all about ACCA, the course, the eligibility criteria, why should you select something like Ednovate, and finally Q&A sessions. Basically, since this is a recorded version of it, आप वीडियो के नीचे सारे अपने questions डाल सकते हो. So I'm sure my team will help you with all the possible answers that you want. Perfect. Continuation of it. So first thing is, let's have a discussion about ACCA. Then we'll go to job role, the courses, the eligibility, why Ednovate, and the batches and everything. So guys, ACCA, there's a lot of importance. So I have jotted down in terms of points if you know it. My point number one, guys, ACCA is a global recognition. For example, like an Indian course like CA. So that's an Indian CA. But अगर आप US जाके practice करना चाहते हो तो वहाँ पे आपको CPA करना पड़ेगा फिर से. But ACCA is a globally recognized course. It is recognized in 180 plus countries. That is what is known as global recognition. Guys, it has the great history, and it's rich actually. So it was established in 1904, as you can rightly see. ACCA is the oldest governing accounting body in the world. Very safely we can say that. It is older than ICAI as well. Perfect. And it is the oldest and it is also the largest accounting body. So largest अगर आप देखेंगे तो we have 250,000 members worldwide, and we are soon going to reach the number of 550,000. So which have 3 lakh of people already in the pipeline to join this body of ACCA. Amazing number. Extensive network, 7,600 approved employers with number expected to cross to 10,000. So we have got employers who are registered with an accounting body. They are approved learning things. They hire ACCAs. We have already 7,600 recruiters, and this number is soon going to cross 10,000 as well. Global presence, they have 100 offices in more than 50 countries and examination centers in 148 countries, including India as one of the country. Are we exactly clear with this one? So absolutely global presence. इतना ही नहीं, मैं वही कहा कि ACCA as an organization is too good about it. Guys, the curriculum is very comprehensive. We cover subjects like accounting, finance, tax, audit, very comprehensive. So it actually, kind of allows you to grow to the level where you can take a lot of decisions. So financial decisions, taxation decisions, auditing decisions, accounting decisions. Your role is like multifaceted. So amazing curriculum. Plus a great flexibility. सो गाइज, यहाँ पे इतनी अच्छी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी कि इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप भाई ये एक ग्रुप दे दो और वो क्लियर कर दो. यहाँ पे अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत सिंपल सी है. एक पेपर प्रिपेयर करो, go to exams, clear it, go to next paper, clear it. So exams are conducted quarterly. Students can appear for individual papers at their own pace. Now it does not mean कि आपको एक ही देना, but अगर आप में capacity आप 2-3 साथ में दो, but they have a flexibility. And once you're done with that paper, you're done with that paper, you can move on, go to the next paper. So if you're concentrating on one paper at a time, I would say this is great specialization that you can achieve. Are we exactly clear? I would like to quote one of my colleague here in Ednovate, Jigna. She's a ranker in AFM. It's like a sole focus on one paper, and you can grade ranks and plan it like that. चलिए, timelines. The course can be completed within 2 to 3 years. So मैं तो कहता हूँ कि अगर आप 12th के बाद ACCA ज्वाइन करते हो तो with graduation you get an ACCA certificate on your hand. So by the time you complete your graduation, you are already a professional. क्या कहते हो? Too good. Next one is career opportunities. It opens up opportunities to work for MNC and Big Four. Who does not dream of working with Big Four? Who does not have dreams of working in large corporate organizations? Now, this large corporate organization, top firms, Big Fours, multinational corporations, they today trust ACCA as a body to have trained nice students which are directly recruited in this organization. And finally, your earning potential. Guys, an ACCA salary can range somewhere within like 15 lakhs to 45 lakhs, 50 lakhs. Definitely, it again depends upon a lot of a practicality that you have in you. But yes, you are above the normal average salary and you are directly recruited once you're done with your graduation. Perfect. So this is about the potentials that people have. Continuing with that, what are the job roles? सर मैं अगर ACCA बन जाऊँ तो मैं कौन से जॉब रोल्स पे काम करूँगा, मतलब मेरा जॉब प्रोफाइल क्या होगा, मेरा रोल क्या होगा? भाई आपका रोल हो सकता है एक फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट, एक स्टैट्यूटरी ऑडिट, ड्यू डिलिजेंस, फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग, वैल्यूएशंस. आई एम सीरियसली मिसिंग जिग्ना टुडे. जिग्ना इज ग्रेट विद वैल्यूएशंस, ट्रेजरी मैनेजमेंट, financial accounting, internal audit. There's another thing which is known as stat audit and there's another thing which is known as internal audit. Forensic audit, this is a nice new upcoming stream, in terms of specialization. That is known as forensic audit. FP&A, corporate finance, stakeholders relationship. Oh man, मेरे को एक पेपर याद आ रहा है corporate issuers करके. So we say we have a lot of stakeholders and we need to maintain our relationship with every stakeholder. The company has relationship with a lot of people. Company has relationship with shareholders, company have relationship with customers, the suppliers, the government, the SEBI. इन सब के साथ हमें अपना relationship maintain करना है. So we say we have to have relationship, and who can manage this? An ACCA can be recruited by the company to manage this kind of relationships. Amazing ना? Guys, तो ये है हमारे job roles. चलिए सर. हाँ, सो वेलकम टू जिग्ना. एज आई टोल्ड यू, आई वाज मिसिंग हर. शी इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ एडनोवेट नाउ एंड शी इज़ वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट रैंकर्स दैट वी हैव इन ऑन बोर्ड. 8+ years टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस. वाओ, अमेजिंग. चलो गाइज, अब हम बात करते हैं द कोर्स की. सर ये कोर्स क्या है? तो गाइज ये कोर्स डिवाइड है 3 लेवल्स पे. अगर आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, सो लेवल अगर आप देख लें तो अप्लाइड नॉलेज, अप्लाइड स्किल एंड स्ट्रैटेजिक प्रोफेशनल. वी से वी हैव अ नॉलेज लेवल, स्किल लेवल, प्रोफेशनल लेवल. नॉलेज लेवल में आपके पास 3 पेपर्स है, BT, FA, MA. BT stands for Business Technology, FA is Financial Accounting, MA is Management Accounting. पैटर्न्स एंड डेट. सर एग्जामिनेशंस कैसे होती है? तो गाइज अप्लाइड नॉलेज तो बहुत ही अंडरस्टैंडेबिलिटी है. द पेपर्स आर ऑन डिमांड. ऑन डिमांड मीन्स आपको जब चाहिए तब एग्जाम दे दो. गो टू द रजिस्टर्ड सेंटर, टेल देम मेरे को कल एग्जाम देना है, आपका एग्जाम कल. प्योरली MCQ फॉर्मेट है, 2 hours, 100 marks, 40 to 50 questions, ऑन डिमांड थ्रू आउट द ईयर. मतलब आपको इसके लिए एग्जामिनेशन डेट के लिए रुकना नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ जाके एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर में अपने आप को रजिस्टर करना है, एग्जाम देना है. दैट्स इट. क्लासिक है. टू गुड. सो दिस इज नॉलेज. नॉलेज के बाद कौन सा पेपर आता है? स्किल. स्किल में यू कैन सी देयर आर 6 पेपर्स. अच्छा, डोंट फॉरगेट द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. अब स्किल में 6 पेपर है तो ज़रूरी नहीं कि हम पूरे 6 पेपर एक साथ दें. सो यू कैन गिव 1 पेपर एट अ टाइम. दैट इज स्किल. गाइस, लॉ, टैक्सेशन, FR, माई फेवरेट. परफॉर्मेंस मैनेजमेंट, फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट, अनदर माई फेवरेट. ऑडिट, लव दिस पेपर. Are we exactly clear? मैं ये समझाते समझाते मैं ये सोच भी रहा हूँ कि मैं इसमें से कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स आपको पढ़ाऊँगा. So guys, 6 paper: law, taxation, FR, PM, that is performance management, financial management, audit and assurance. Again, this is MCQ plus subjective. Examinations are conducted 4 times in a year: March, June, September, December. That's a 3-hour paper, 100 marks paper, and we have 25 to 30 mark or 30 questions into it. So we have MCQs, but we also have subjective questions. Are we exactly clear with this one? Too good. Guys, finally, we have the last level. So once you are completed with your knowledge, you are completed with your skill, you go to the professional level. प्रोफेशनल लेवल में अगर आप देखेंगे तो आपको 1 2 + 1 2 3 4 दिखेंगे, 6 पेपर्स है, बट आपको 6 नहीं देना है, आपको 4 पेपर्स देना है. पहले 2 कंपलसरी है. कौन से 2 कंपलसरी है? स्ट्रैटेजिक बिजनेस रिपोर्टिंग कंपलसरी है एंड स्ट्रैटेजिक बिजनेस लीडर कंपलसरी है. SBR इज कंपलसरी, SBL इज कंपलसरी. परफेक्ट है. फिर ऑप्शंस एनी 2. सो नेक्स्ट 4 में से यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू डू एनी 2 ऑफ देम. And what are the any 2 of them that you are required to do now is advanced financial management, advanced auditing assurance, advanced taxation, advanced performance management. AFM is my favorite. मैं कितने favorites बोल दूंगा भाई, select आप करना. You can select according to the career you want to build in. I will be there with you in this case if you need any of my help. कि सर हमें ये career में जाना है तो आप मेरे को बताइए हम कौन सा पेपर select करें. So accordingly we can go ahead on that. ठीक है ना guys? यहाँ पे MCQs नहीं आएंगे अभी. They are huge papers. So you have subjective paper which is basically kind of a built on case studies भी हो सकता है, and that's a 4-hour paper, not a 3-hour paper. 4-hour paper, 100 marks paper, 5 to 8 questions, and you can give this attempt 4 times in a year. That is March, June, September, December. Are we clear with that? Pakka? Too good. I hope you are understanding this. 3 levels clear ekdam. Too good. Chaliye. Eligibility. Who can become ACCA? Guys, can I become ACCA after 10th? Yes, you can become ACCA after 10th. You'll have to give all the 13 papers through an FIA route basically. But seriously, this is what I'm saying, okay, guys. If you are very clear in your 10th standard itself, and this is what we have started doing, we have started going to schools, we have started going to classes of 9th and 10th. We are actually talking to students and asking them to stay ahead of the career planning. जब हम तो कॉलेज थे ना भाई, तो कब डिसाइड करते थे? ग्रेजुएशन के बाद डिसाइड करते थे क्या करना है, या तो मैक्सिमम 12th के बाद डिसाइड करते थे क्या करना है. नॉलेज वॉज ऑल्सो सो लेस. इफ यू वांट टू स्टे अहेड, थिंक फास्टर, स्टे ग्लोबल बेसिकली, है ना. तो 10th के बाद आप ACCA कर सकते हो. सर क्या हम 12th के बाद ACCA कर सकते हैं? यस, 12th के बाद आप ACCA कर सकते हो और बहुत मज़े आएगी. 12th के बाद अगर आप BCom या BAF कर रहे हो, सो ACCA हैज़ गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइप्स विद यूनिवर्सिटीज़. और अगर आप फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक अ बॉम्बे यूनिवर्सिटी, दे हैव अ टाइप विद बॉम्बे यूनिवर्सिटी. सो आप अगर BCom कर रहे हो या BAF कर रहे हो फ्रॉम बॉम्बे यूनिवर्सिटी, यू गेट एग्जाम्शन इन 5 पेपर्स. भाई 13 पेपर्स इन ऑल. 13 ना. सो 13 कैसे भाई? देखो 3 पहले नॉलेज के, स्किल के 6, 3 और 6 हो गए 9, प्रोफेशनल के 4, टोटल 13 हुए कि नहीं. अब 13 में से अगर आप 12th के बाद BCom या BAF कर रहे हो, वो भी मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी से कर रहे हो और कहीं से भी कर रहे हो, तो उनका एक एक्चुअली एग्जाम्शन कैलकुलेटर भी है ऑनलाइन. गूगल में डाल के सिर्फ ACCA एग्जाम्शन कैलकुलेटर टाइप कर दो तो वहाँ पे एक कैलकुलेटर आ जाएगा. आप थोड़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन भर दो तो वो आपको बोलेंगे आपको कितने में एग्जाम्शन मिलेंगे. सो यू हैव एग्जाम्शन इन 5 पेपर्स. अगर 13 में से 5 पेपर्स में एग्जाम्शन मिल जाती है तो हमें कितनी एग्जाम देनी पड़ रही है? सिर्फ 8 पेपर की एग्जाम देनी पड़ रही है. बट प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट, यू वांट ओवरऑल 50-65% इन इंग्लिश एंड मैथ्स एंड अकाउंट्स पेपर. आर वी एग्जैक्टली क्लियर विद दिस वन? टू गुड. थर्ड, सर क्या मैं ग्रेजुएशन के बाद ACCA कर सकता हूँ? हाँ भाई, आप ग्रेजुएशन के बाद भी ACCA कर सकते हो, क्यों नहीं. एंड यू गेट एग्जाम्शन इन 5 पेपर्स. अगेन यू हैव टू गिव 8. Sir, can a CA do ACCA? CA should actually do ACCA. Because once you are completed with CA Inter, you have exemption in 6 papers and you are required to give only 7 papers now. And finally, if you are completed with CA final, boss, you have exemption in 9 papers, you only have to required to do 4. मैं तो सारे ही चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट को I will request, भाई आपने कब चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट किया भूल जाइए. If you are recently done, बहुत advantages है. But if you are done like 2 years back, 3 years back, 4 years back, 10 years back, guys, come back, give 4 papers and take a degree of ACCA यार. एक बार पढ़ाई के लेवल पे भी तो आ जाओगे आप वापस, है ना? Too good. Why Ednovate? अब थोड़ा ये पर्सनल हो रहा है. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम गिविंग यू ऑल द नॉलेजेस दैट वी वांटेड टू गिव यू, आई एम इनवाइटिंग ऑल ऑफ यू टू प्लीज कम टू Ednovate once and understand what differently are we doing for this ACCA. So why Ednovate? Guys, we give you this 4 things that you should be very happy at. And these are my 4 things. We have a passing assurance, 100% passing assurance, provided definitely you have to follow certain things the way we say you have to do it. We have a placement assurance as well. Guys, we have tie-ups with a lot of top 4, big 4 corporate organizations. Basically, जहाँ पे हम आपको प्लेस करने की कोशिशें करेंगे. We'll send you for interviews. Study material top notch. Are we exactly clear with this one? And finally, expert mentoring. So if you want one-to-one mentoring, you can always come back to us in whatever times. In fact, I'm free. I always help my students. We do have proper counselors also. You can fix up your meeting with them at Ednovate, one-on-one counseling. Once you have joined with us also, we actually help you with your scheduling timetable, preparing things up. Perfect. Too good. Chaliye. So this is about why Ednovate. Career opportunities. These are the recruiters. Deloitte, KPMG, EY, PwC. Wow, amazing यार. मैं कभी कभी सोचता हूँ मुझे यहाँ होना चाहिए था. So these are the kind of a career opportunities that in ACCA can have about it. Are we clear with this one? Now this is where Ednovate as a silver learning partner comes into the picture. So guys, initial registration है, annual subscription for first year, second year, knowledge level की फीस, skill level की फीस, professional level की फीस. अगर आप देखेंगे ना, all in all, guys, you are saving up to 68,000 of rupees if you do your ACCA from us, from Ednovate. Are we exactly clear with that one? This is where the silver learning partner thing comes into the picture. Perfect. Hai? What are we doing? We have 3 batches in Ednovate. The first batch, as you can see, is a premium batch. The second one is an advanced batch, and third one is a purely recorded batch as well. Are we exactly clear with this one? So a lot of this information, I'm not discussing it here. You know, you can come to our branches, drop down to any of the Ednovate branches and take the information that you require. Are we exactly clear with this one? So I hope this small video was really useful to you in taking a little bit of a decision on that. But yes, you can actually book one-on-one session with Ednovate counselors. You can just drop a message on this number 7273961961. My team will call you up, set one-on-one with counselor. Irrespective if you join Ednovate or not, irrespective if you join ACCA or not, my counselor is going to help you on this, taking your most, you know, kind of advantageous career for you. Perfect. Particularly 12th standard students who are just clearing it out, do this. Believe me. Got that, guys? I love you all. Take care. Jakas. Thank you. Bye-bye.